Hey guys, welcome back to my channel called Exploit, and today we are going to learn some more methods in string. Okay, so let's get straight into it. I have already coded the parts, the print statements. Okay, so let's find it out what it gives out the output. Hmm. Okay, see what happens here is this find statement will find the index number of the string or the character which you pass here. Suppose I have passed code here, so since this code in the string is in the index number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, so hence this 5 will be returned in the first print statement. Okay, and in the second print statement what happens is uh, when you give O. Okay, first suppose I have given O as the character, and I have tried to, like, I have modified it by giving 3 here. This means that it will only find O after the index number 3. Suppose here 0, 1, 2 and 3, only after M, only this portion will be scanned to find O. So where did it find O? In the sixth position. Okay, because it is only allowed to find after the third position, third index number, sorry. 0, 1, 2 and 3. After this 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. So since 6 has been encountered as O, so it has printed the index number of O. Okay, and similarly in the third print statement, what it does is, suppose I have given DE as this string, and okay, let's make this thing clear out here. 7 comma 9. Let's see. Okay, just let me, okay, 2 and 5. I just want to explain you one concept about it. Yes. Okay, since I have discussed the first two, why it happens, now let's discuss about the third print statement, why it has returned -1. Now see, we have to find this string between, now this 2 and 5, what does it mean? It means that it has to find the string DE between 2 and 5. Okay, suppose here 0, 1, 2. Now from here 2, 3, 4, 5, does it contain anything known as DE? No. So since there is no such string as DE between the index number 2 and 5, so this is false. So whenever this error, this is not encountered, any string which is provided here is not encountered between the given indices or the index number, it will return -1, because it hasn't found any string as D. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is no such string as D in between 2 and 5. Okay, so this is all about find. Okay, now let's see about encoding. Let's paste this and just replace this with encode. Okay, encode yeah. Now let's try to run this. Okay, let's, for just in case you get confused, I'll just remove all the statements here. Yeah, now it's fine. Now let's see what happens when we try to encode this. Okay. Okay, let's run this here. Okay, fine. It's simply printing out here. Why? See, if we don't provide any, if we don't provide anything inside this encode, it will by default take as UTF-8 by default. It is a format, okay, but I, for some reason, it's not giving me the, you know, the outcome, the correct outcome. It's not giving me the correct result. I don't know why is it so. So I just want, let's run this in an online compiler and let's check this out. Okay, and let's go here and search for compiler. Yeah, let's go here and paste our code and let's run this. See, it depends on the compiler. Okay, whatever ID or any compiler you're choosing. Suppose if you try any other compiler, it will give something like this x something random, okay, like that, something random, I don't know. And this is what it gives here, b. Okay, so this is encoded by default. Now let's see this b v. Okay, let's give the encoding type here. Sorry, I mistakenly pressed the caps lock button. Encoding equals, let's give it ASCII, and errors, like this error means if by any chance the 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 input, where the input, oh sorry, what is it happening, if by any chance the string or the input in the string, okay, yeah, in the string, if any of the character is not will fail to encode, this error will be provided. Okay, so there are many types of error. First type of error is ignore anything. Okay, and the other one, sorry, just let me copy paste this. Yeah, now let's print. Okay, okay, backslash replace, and here let's give replace. Okay, and here let's give, okay, let's remove this, and yeah, let's give yeah, XML free. Okay, so these are the type of errors. Let's check them out. Oh sorry, I don't want to save it. Run. Yeah, okay, now it's giving the same in output. Why? Because it is being able to encode each and every character in the string without any errors. Okay, now let's create some exception here. Suppose I want to give I am code, and let's give, suppose with that thing exploit. Now let's try to run this. Oh, it's the same. Okay, now let's give some other thing, like some other character. How to give this character? Okay, let's find some characters in Google. Some characters in a. Okay, where do I find? Let's try some random characters. Say yeah. Okay, now let's run this. Still working. Okay. Uh, let's run this. Is being able to encode each and every character. So by exception, if any character is encountered that cannot be encoded, it will immediately give types of errors here. Something like anything. Okay, you can try it on your own. Like you can give any. You will find those type of characters in phone, in mobile while you type messages in WhatsApp. In my phone's keyboard, I'm not being able to do it. I don't know why. Because maybe I don't know. Yeah, there are no such characters, so you can do that. Okay, so that's all for today, and yeah.